Alright, I didn't really show too much about the car. I did pull the engine. It's pretty easy. It wasn't really too hard. There was a couple things I did run into, which was the drop shaft. But eventually that came out pretty easy. So anyways, so all the rod bearings are good. Except number 3. I don't know if you guys can see this or not. It's hard for the GoPro to focus. So this is number 3. That's 2, 1, and you can kind of see how number 3 is the one that's the most scratched. You see how these ones are mostly okay, and then if I go to 3, which is right here, you can see how it's kind of infused into the crank with the bearing. So cylinder number 3, rod bearings, there's only 1 left. I'm guessing the other one got ate up, but to be honest, it really does not seem that bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and start sanding it down with 400 grit, and then slowly work my way up to 1500. But this is what it looks like right now, and yeah. Alright, so here's how it looks after the first 400 grit. That's the one I didn't touch, and then this is the one that I'm working on. Alright, so here I have my 7M valve covers off. Since this is a pretty much fresh built engine, you can see how much cleaner it is. The intake side is a little bit more dirtier, but comparing it to the GS, so this is the intake side. Look at that. It's like a freaking chimney. And then the exhaust side, look at that. Just all covered up with grime and debris. That's carbon. That's from running EGR, folks. If you don't do maintenance, your EGR carb buildup will build up. Alright, so I'm calling it a night. This is how far I've got. Doesn't look too bad compared to the other ones. That's only 400 grit. I still got a bunch of more higher grits to go up to. So yeah, rod number 3 spun, and I'm going to say it's due to lack of maintenance. Bunch of grime, and there's a lot more. Here's the bearing. You can see how the hole in the bearing is almost gone compared to the ones that are good. You can see the hole is good. So yeah, this is how far I've got. I still got a lot more cleaning to do, but overall it doesn't seem too bad. One thing I am concerned about is the piston rings, and if the rod is slightly maybe bent. I still gotta take a lot more things apart, but so far this is how far I've gotten. Lots of cleaning and lots of time. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. I'll get this video posted up tonight.